Today we have a brand new arrival for you. We have a brand new walnut vanity available either with a black engineered quartz top or white poly marble. This is the new Augusta Collection. Let's go look at the details. Presenting the 60-inch Augusta Vanity from Golden Elite Deco, the essence of bathroom luxury and practicality. The Augusta Collection offers a choice between a white poly marble and a black engineered quartz countertop. Each option is designed not just to captivate, but to last. Double sinks designed for share spaces, it enhances functionality without compromising on style. Experience the refined functionality with our soft closing drawers. A gentle push is all it takes to evoke a smooth, silent closure, ensuring your serene space remains undisturbed. Pop-up drains are included for the perfect finish of your hardware. Explore the elegance in bathroom and flooring solutions at our 4 locations or shop anytime at goldenelitedeco.com.